In this video, we help you set up your JBL Xtreme 4 for the best performance and experience. Unboxing. Open the box and discover the JBL Xtreme 4, carrying strap, power supply, quick start guide, and warranty card. Set up your speaker. Start by powering up the speaker by pressing the power button once. After powering up, the speaker will automatically activate Bluetooth pairing. Now you can find the speaker on your preferred device and connect. If your speaker doesn't automatically activate Bluetooth pairing after powering up, you can press the Bluetooth button once and start the pairing process. Multi-speaker connection. Connect multiple JBL Auracast-enabled portable speakers by using the Auracast technology. Make sure all speakers are powered on. Press the Auracast button on the primary speaker, followed by the secondary speakers. To learn more about Auracast technology, check out our support page. JBL Portable App. Download the JBL Portable app from the App Store or the Google Play Store to gain full access to the features of your JBL Xtreme 4, such as equalizer for a personalized sound experience, playtime boost, which lengthens your playtime by 6 hours, stereo mode, which enables you to connect an additional JBL Xtreme 4 speaker for stereo sound by just powering on your second speaker, and Party Boost, which enables you to connect multiple Party Boost compatible speakers for a more immersive sound experience. To enable Party Boost, make sure that all the desired speakers are powered on. Next, use the app to connect the speakers. Charging. Charge your speaker as soon as the light indicator turns red to prolong your battery life. Plug the power cable into your USB-C port, and your speaker will reach full charge in approximately 3.5 hours. And just 10 minutes on the charger gets you another 2 hours of music. If your battery is defective, you can easily replace it. Start by unscrewing the Torx screws. Use a Torx T20 screwdriver. Next, remove the protective plate by pulling the notch outwards. To remove the current battery, pull on the orange ribbon until the battery is partly revealed. Then grab the battery and pull it out. Place the new battery in the Xtreme 4 by sliding it in the battery slot until you hear a slight clicking sound. That means the battery is in place. Continue by placing the battery plate back and screwing the Torx screws back in. Fasten the screws securely for a waterproof seal. Support. If you encounter any issues with your JBL product, we're here to help. Visit support.jbl.com.